Alright, you have your door, pull down, plenty of space. Your roof's bolted on with 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. They hold your roof on. On the opposite side are your hinges. These allow you to adjust the pitch of your roof, and you do that by simply moving that strut back or forth, which moves up or lowers your roof. As with all our cages, they're pretty easy to put together. A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, and then the 1 to 1 on the back of the roof, and 2 to 2, and you can't make any mistakes putting it together. Everything is 1/4 inch carriage bolts. They're all the same size. You want to put them all together and finger tighten only, keep them all loose the whole cage over until you've got it all together and shimmied into place, and then you can tighten them up. And the quickest way to do these carriage bolts is just a simple impact wrench with a 1/4 inch socket. Make quick work of putting the whole thing together.